Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your GoDaddy website builder with Instagram and Instagram ads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder if you have not already. So what you can do is go to godaddy.com, and from here you can go ahead and open up your platform, your portfolio and dashboard. From where you can find a website that you want to open it up in editor mode right here. As you can see, edit website, and now we can get started. This is what the editor mode looks like. From here, right side of the screen, you can see this menu that you can use for editing your website. So let's go and take a look at how to connect it to Instagram. So what we want to do is open up the settings tab right here. By opening up the settings section, it's going to open up this new settings menu from where we can scroll down and find analytics and tracking. And what we're going to look for is metapixel, because metapixel is connected to Instagram. You can set up your metapixel for Facebook and Instagram both. So here you can go ahead and track your Facebook campaigns and Instagram campaigns by pasting your metapixel ID. What you want to do is paste the ID that you have right here. Pasting it is going to enable you to use it directly with your website, and just like that you are going to go and be able to integrate those two platforms. You also have Google Analytics, Facebook Meta Tag, and so on if you would like to use those as well, that you can also integrate with, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.